Being a freelance graphic designer, you need to have predictable income each month. It's very important. There are so many ways to get stable income in the form of retainers.
Here are 5 graphic designer retainer ideas.
1. Annual visual reports. Charities, non-profits, big businesses, companies, 6/12 of a month.
2. Social media content. Single posts, carousels, reels, short videos, graphics.
3. Infographics. Small biz, medium companies, content creators.
4. Marketing materials. Flyers, brochure, poster, social media ads.
5. YouTube thumbnails. YouTubers, small biz.